Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we need to find the slope that is about delta y over delta x. So that means we need to put negative number 3 minus number 3. So that's about the difference between this one and this one. Number 5 minus number 3. So we calculate. We have negative number 3. So the next one, we have the formula. So M, that is about the slope. B, that is about y-intercept. Now we put negative number 3 go here. So we know that this boy belongs to the light. So I will put x equals to number 3 go here. And number 3 go here. So we can find the value of B. So we put this one go to the left. And we have number 12. So we put number 12 go here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.